Hey everybody, I'm Josh, and today we're answering the question, what's in the box? There's two boxes, and there's not a tire inflator in this one. That's a lie. So my dad's been going through old family storage units lately, and he found a ton of vintage cameras. Well, he boxed them up and gave them to me. And outside of a passing glance into each one of them, I really haven't taken a good look at these cameras. I wanted to save them and do an unboxing video with old cameras. So we'll be looking at these together for the first time, really. Now I'm going to go on the good old interwebs and do a little research, see if we can find any history on these while I show you some close-up shots of them. So without further ado, let's get into these. Oh, just broke the handle on that one. So first up, we've got a Brownie Special 620, made in the USA. The Kodak Brownie Special 620 was originally sold between 1938 and 1942 for around $4, or about $73 today. A Bell & Howell Oh, this is not a camera. This is a video camera, 220. Check that old thing out. It's pretty clean on the inside, actually. The Bell & Howell 220 8mm spring-wound video camera originally sold in 1958 for around $40, or about $355 today. Next up we have, I'm not sure what this is, it's not logoed on the case. Ooh, this one looks cool. Universal Camera Core. Got a lot of little markings on it. Look at all that. That looks pretty fancy. Let's see if I can get it out of the case. The Mercury II originally sold in 1945 for around $75, or about $1,067 today. We have this little beacon made by Whitehouse Products Inc. Cute little camera. The Whitehouse Beacon was originally sold in 1946 for around $10, or about $131 today. Oh, now this is neat. Newspaper. 1916. Extra, read all about it. Ancient newspaper found in box of cameras. Now this little Kodak Instamatic 104. These are kind of common little cameras. I've seen it before. This is really needing a lot of cleaning up. What's neat about it though is there's the instruction manual for it. And it is not falling apart at all. The Kodak Instamatic 104 was originally sold in 1965 for around $16, or about $130 today. Here we have a camera in a box. It is a Waldorf Minicam candid type camera. That box is pretty worn, kind of hard to read. Let's find out what it looks like. Paperwork, again. Got a little spin wheel in here. Teach you how to worry about gliding and everything. That's cool. This is the cleanest one yet. Hardly any filth on it. Check that out. The Waldorf Minicam originally sold in 1940 for a price I couldn't find. However, I did find one for sale on eBay for $25, if that counts for anything. Look at this little guy. Where's his front? There's his front. It's a baby Brownie. A little rusty on top. It's a rusty baby. Neat, but nothing too fancy. Ching, ching. Everything clicks and chings though. The Kodak Baby Brownie was originally sold between 1934 and 1941 for about $1, or about $19 today. Speaking of brownies, we've got a Kodak Brownie Super 27 camera. Viewfinder is dirty. Cool. Complete with a neat little hidden flash, the Kodak Brownie Super 27 was originally sold between 1961 and 1965 for around $19, or about $163 today. So I spied this one at the bottom of the box the minute I opened it. I want to save it for last because it's my absolute favorite style of camera. It's the old pocket style with billows. And these billows are intact, not a hole. That's a rare find. Let's see. This is a Agfa PD 16 Plenax. That rolls off the tongue right there. The Agfa PD 16 Plenax. Make this your next camera. The viewfinder is a little hard to use. Still clicks. Listen to that. It has its own little stand. It's just made to display. The Agfa PD 16 Plenax was originally sold between 1935 and 1941 for somewhere around $11 to $17. Or about $205 to $318 today. This has been a really good haul of cameras here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with manual, 8, and then a film camera. So I really enjoyed this, and I hope you did too. Leave me a comment below if you want to see more videos like this. I have an extensive vintage camera collection that I'd love to show off. I've got one more camera that I really want to show off too. That was my great-great-grandfather's, but it's going to have to wait a while. It needs to be really cleaned up before I'm willing to show it. I might actually do a video of the cleanup process. Thanks so much for watching. Please like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, Shifter Photography. Go look at my Instagram, @Shifter, and if Facebook's also your thing, go to my Facebook page, Shifter Photography. Thanks so much, and see you in the next video. To learn more about any one of these cameras, check the video description for links to the sources I used for this video.